Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we have an absolute icon of performance and engineering, the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo. This car carries a legendary name, and in its latest iteration, Porsche has taken things to an entirely new level. Whether you're a die-hard Porsche fan or just someone who appreciates speed and precision, this is a car that demands attention. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo stays true to the unmistakable 911 silhouette, but with a sharper, more aerodynamic presence. The front bumper has larger air intakes, improving cooling and airflow, while the adaptive LED matrix headlights add a modern and aggressive look. The signature wide rear fenders and active rear wing enhance both stability and aesthetics. Porsche has worked on refining the aerodynamics even further, ensuring that this model remains planted at high speeds. Moving to the powertrain, the heart of this machine is a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, now producing an even more exhilarating 640 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. That's an increase over the previous generation, meaning this 911 Turbo is faster than ever. Thanks to the 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, shifts are lightning quick, ensuring seamless acceleration. And speaking of acceleration, the 2025 911 Turbo rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the market today. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Porsche has engineered this car for handling precision. The all-wheel drive system has been recalibrated for better grip and power distribution, while the rear-wheel steering enhances agility at high speeds and stability in tight corners. Porsche Active Suspension Management, PSM, ensures that the e-Todi car remains composed whether on a winding mountain road or on a racetrack pushing the limits. The new lightweight chassis, made from a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, improves overall driving dynamics while maintaining durability. Inside, the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo blends luxury with motorsport DNA. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents, creating a driver-focused environment. The 10.9-inch infotainment display now features the latest Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded voice assistant. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, making sure the driver is always connected to the car's capabilities. The optional Burmester 3D surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for those long highway drives. Technology plays a huge role in the new 911 Turbo, especially when it comes to safety and driver assistance. Porsche's latest adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and night vision system make long drives more comfortable and secure. And for those who love taking their car to the track, the new Track Precision app allows drivers to record lap times, analyze driving data, and improve their skills. Now let's talk about customization. Porsche understands that every driver is unique, and that's why they offer an extensive range of options. From exclusive paint colors and wheel designs to custom interior trims, buyers can personalize their 911 Turbo to match their style. There's even the option to go for lightweight bucket seats and a roll cage for those who want a more track-focused experience. One of the most exciting additions for 2025 is the hybrid-assisted turbocharging technology. This feature reduces turbo lag and improves overall efficiency without compromising performance. Porsche has also introduced a more efficient exhaust system, making the car sound even more thrilling while meeting modern emissions regulations. The driving experience of the 2025 911 Turbo is simply unparalleled. Whether you're cruising through the city, carving up back roads, or hitting the Autobahn at full speed, this car delivers an experience that's second to none. The steering is precise, the throttle response is immediate, and the overall balance of the car makes it feel like an extension of the driver. Porsche has once again proven why the 911 Turbo remains one of the most respected names in the automotive world. With its perfect blend of speed, technology, and timeless design, this car continues to push the boundaries of what a high-performance sports car can be. So, what do you think of the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo? Would you take this beast for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.